Hello everyone, this is DevByte. In the last video we built our win system, but there's one problem. Our timer was still running. Let's fix that and make our system cleaner. Let's open our timer script. First, let's clean up our timer system. Right now we're stopping coroutines directly. We should create a dedicated function. We'll create a public method with the name of stop timer. Now we'll stop all our coroutine inside this method. This will give us control. So any system like win or lose, simply call stop timer. Now replace the stop all coroutines with stop timer method. To use this stop timer method, we need access our timer script. We centralize everything inside LevelHandler. This avoids repeating references again and again. Here we'll add our timer. Now let's improve our architecture. Right now, our timer script holds UI references. So instead of accessing UI from multiple scripts, we'll centralize everything inside LevelHandler. To avoid repeating references again and again, we'll add our win-lose text in our LevelHandler script. Now inside our player movement script, here inside our collect coins conditional if statement, we'll use our LevelHandler reference to access timer script and call stop timer method. Save script, drag our timer script game object inside timer property to assign reference. Now inside our timer script, we'll use LevelHandler for win-lose text game object activation. Now let's test everything. Collect all coins. You win. And timer stops perfectly. Now let's scale this system. Instead of one level, we'll create multiple levels. Right-click at environment in hierarchy, create empty, and rename this as level 1. Now drag floor and walls inside level 1 game object. Control plus D to duplicate level 1. Now we have new level 2 game object with walls and floor. Let's set its position in game world. Change the scale of its floor and adjust the position and scale of walls as well. Let's add coins in this level as well. Duplicate the coins of level 1 and adjust their position and increase the number of coins. Now inside LevelHandler in the levels array, add new second level and assign coins for second level. Now let's duplicate second level and create new third level. Repeat the same steps as we did for second level. And add new third level in LevelHandler and assign coins of third level as well. Now we have a win system, timer control, clean UI, structure, multiple levels. In the next video, we'll position our player for each level and define different time limits. If you want to build games step by step, follow DevByte.